In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SMS campaign using Brevo. By the end, you'll be able to confidently set up, customize, and launch a text message that reaches the right people at the right time. We'll begin on the Brevo dashboard, your control center for everything marketing. From here, head into the campaigns area. This is where all of your existing campaigns live and where new ones are created. Look for the Create Campaign button and select it. When you're asked to choose a campaign type, pick SMS, so Brevo knows you're building a text message, not an email or anything else. Next, give your campaign a clear, memorable name. Choose something descriptive that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to run multiple versions or A/B tests. Once you've named it, confirm to create the campaign and move forward. Now set your sender name, the label people see on their phones. Use a recognizable, trustworthy name like your brand or business to build confidence and improve open rates. Consistency here helps your audience know the message is legitimate. It's time to choose your recipients. Select the contact list or segment that best fits your goal. Aligning your message with a specific audience, such as recent purchasers, newsletter subscribers, or local customers, will improve engagement. Take a moment to review the selection so you're only sending to the people you intend, then save it to lock it in. Move to the message content area and click Create to open the SMS editor. Keep your message short, clear, and action-focused. SMS has character limits, so every word should earn its place. Lead with value, include one strong call to action, and avoid long links if you can. If timing matters, mention deadlines or limited time details concisely. When it reads well and feels on brand, save it using the button in the top right corner. You can send your campaign immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling is helpful if you know when your audience is most active or if you're working across time zones. Before you finalize anything, use the Send Test SMS feature to preview the message on a phone. This is your moment to confirm formatting, test links, and fine-tune tone so there are no surprises. And that's it. You've created an SMS campaign in Brevo from start to finish. Follow these steps each time to send messages that connect with your audience and drive results. If this was helpful, leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more practical tutorials.